Today, let's learn this super cute bunny coin purse that can hold lipstick, earphones, tissues, and other items. It has a pretty good capacity. Only basic stitches are used, so beginners can confidently start crocheting. Once you get the hang of it, you can finish within an hour. Susan's Family Color 2 Yarn, 3.5mm crochet hook. Start with a chain stitch, wrap the yarn around your little finger, bring the yarn over with your index finger, pinch the yarn with your middle finger and thumb, place the hook above the yarn, wrap counterclockwise downward and backward once, pinch make 13 chain stitches, yarn over and pull through, it's 1, yarn over and pull through, it's 2. Insert into the first stitch to work a single crochet, insert the hook, yarn over from above the yarn, pull through 2 loops, it's a single crochet. In the same stitch, work another single crochet, working 2 single crochets in one stitch is called a single crochet increase. Work single crochets in both the first and second stitches, and increase means working 2 single crochets in one stitch. After completing 2 groups of single crochet increases, work 10 single crochets evenly into the next 10 stitches. When you reach the corner from the previous round, where 3 single crochets were worked in one stitch, work a single crochet increase in each of those 3 stitches. Then work 10 single crochets evenly. After finishing the 10th single crochet, work a single crochet increase in the last remaining stitch. Since 2 groups of increases were worked at the beginning of this side now has 3 groups of increases to maintain symmetry with the other side. Join with a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch, and pull tight on that slip stitch. Start the third round, work a single crochet in the first stitch, then a single crochet increase in the second stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat this twice. 1 single crochet, 1 increase, after completing 2 groups, work 10 single crochets evenly. After finishing the 10 single crochets, work 3 groups, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, at the top section. This is 1 group. This is 2 groups. Since 2 groups, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, were worked at the beginning, it matches symmetrically with this side. Join with a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch. Continue crocheting around on your own, then after joining with a slip stitch in the first stitch, make one beginning chain and continue to the next round, work up to the 19th round and conclude. Make an invisible slip stitch, bring the yarn to the wrong side, through the first single crochet stitch. Work 9 single crochets evenly. After completing the 9 single crochets, turn your work and insert into the full chain stitch, then work 9 single crochets evenly. The crochet method for each row remains identical. Each horizontal bar represents 2 rows. Make one beginning chain and work single crochets evenly around the edge. Work an additional single crochet in the last stitch, and work 2 single crochets at each of the 4 corners while working single crochets evenly in all other stitches. Work 1 single crochet in each single crochet stitch, work 2 single crochets at the last corner, then join with a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch. Leave a long yarn tail, break the yarn, and fold the 2 sides of the bag in half. Position the flap properly. Work 5 double crochets in order, yarn over, insert hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. 4. After completing, join with a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch, chain 1, fasten off the yarn, weave in the tail on the wrong side, then cut. Crochet 2 identical ears and sew them onto the flap with a white yarn tail. You can also add a bit of glue for extra convenience. The tail starts with an adjustable magic ring. Insert hook into the ring, yarn over, chain 2, then work 8 incomplete double crochets in the ring, yarn over, insert hook, yarn over and pull through. Pull through 2 loops, that's 1. That's 2. After completing the 8th, pull through all loops, chain 1, fasten off the yarn. Tighten this yarn tail. Secure with a double knot. Cut it off, then glue it onto the bag. Crocheting is finished up to this point.